Hey there! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for maximizing your browsing experience. Today, we have an incredible tutorial that will revolutionize the way you use the Turn Off the Lights Chrome extension. Get ready to take control like never before. So, have you ever wished you could change the shortcut key combination to activate the night mode feature from the Turn Off the Lights Chrome extension? Well, my friends, today is your lucky day because I'm about to show you exactly how to do it. Let's dive right in. First, access the Chrome extension settings page, click on the puzzle piece icon and select Manage Extensions. Now, on the top left of the page, click on the three horizontal lines and select the menu item, Keyboard Shortcuts. This will take you to the shortcut settings page. Once you're on the extension's shortcut settings page, choose the action for which you want to edit the shortcut. For example, here, click on the pencil icon next to Night Mode. Now press your new shortcut. For example, here, Ctrl-Shift and the letter N. And voila! You've successfully changed the shortcut key combination for the Turn Off the Lights Chrome extension. It's that easy. Now, when we go to the Google web page, simply press your custom shortcut key combination, and witness the magic of Turn Off the Lights unfold before your eyes. It will convert the current web page to dark mode. Press the combination again to return to the regular website style. That's it. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content like this. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.